Eclipse Automation creates complex, custom, automated systems that build some of the world's best products. As experts in linear servo conveyance, we keep your system on the right track. Our use of linear servo conveyance systems allows Eclipse to make even the most difficult production constraints a reality. We can enable you to have the tools to work towards rapid market deployment. Our systems can assist in maximizing your ROI with a system that is built for parallel processing, instantaneous product changeover, and higher-level traffic control that is not available on a traditional conveyance system. Whether you have a challenge that is best fit for a closed-loop system or one that requires more complex flow of product, we have the solution for you. Reduced cycle time, no need for traditional pallet stops or to locate tooling, variable pitch between stations that can be adjusted on the fly. Our systems are fully scalable and can adapt to factory layouts and production demands. We can help you design a modular system with a reduced machine footprint that can be easily redeployed to help maximize your capital investment. No matter your industry, whether it's medical, automotive, or consumer products, we have the solution for you and can integrate with your PLC of choice. The Eclipse team collaborates with world-class customers to design and build truly unique, elite, and cutting-edge solutions for their automation goals. We are perfectionists because we know our customers are not simply making products, they are creating the future.